Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one other base faucet website. You can claim your free faucet from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, this is the faucet website. This faucet website Tron, pay you Tron every 5 minutes, 25 times claim this much Tron. This website pay you. Okay, and this website pay you directly to Faucet Pay. Go to your user dashboard and go to deposit, copy your Tron wallet address and come here, paste it. Okay, just click login. Just solve this little capture. It's very easy to solve in this capture, and just solve it. Okay, I think I make mistake. I solve again. Okay, and okay, that was good. And just solve this letter capture too. Okay, and just click get reward. This website pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay. You can see this website pay me instantly in my Faucet Pay. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. This website link available in description. Bye bye for now.